Let me ask you a question. Do you have childhood dreams? And if you do, how would you feel if you achieve any of them? When I was very young, I wanted to build a very big house for myself when I grow up. Right now, I'm mature and I have not done it yet. It is absurd, I know, but at least right now, I can review one. That's why we are here. Today we are in Ruiru, and this is one of the most beautiful mansions I have seen in this locality. The unit is a 4-bedroom all-en-suite mansion with a print area of around 380 square meters. And this home is in a gated estate of 3 units. This is the only 4-bedroom and it is going for 28 million Kenya shillings. The other 2 are 5 bedrooms and they are going for 30 million Kenya shillings. But you can bargain a few coins, but you need to talk to us first. Some of you say that Kenyan real estate is super expensive and super exaggerated, but we can all agree that if quality is guaranteed, the price must always be high. This is the garden of this unit and it acts as the front yard and it extends on this side to join the back yard. On my far front, you have your 4-car parking, and if this is not enough, you have a 2-car shed on my far front. The entrance of this home is this sliding gate, and it comes automated. That adds to the price, and as you can see, the unit has been surrounded by a perimeter wall, a razor wire, and an electric fence. Before I take you inside, tell me, what do you think about this unit? Do you think it is worth the 28 million Kenya shillings that the developer is asking for? If yes, make sure you comment down below. This home is exactly 6 minutes from the Spa Mall and only 5 minutes from Thika superhighway. That shows you that this home is very, very, very close to all social amenities. Let me tell you, the number of international schools that we have around here, good hospitals, good churches, and good recreational areas is endless. Before I take you inside, what do you think about this design? It is very modern, done very well, but tell me in the comment section below, what do you think about it? Do you think this unit has a wow factor that will leave your friends saying, hey, ino gui ina besa ta ngoma? Anyway, I'll take you inside. The glad entrance of this home is one of the biggest selling factors. As you can see, you are welcomed by a beautiful foyer, and above it, you have one of the biggest and the beautiful chandeliers we have seen in this locality. The door is massive, and I like it that you are getting a 25-foot ceiling heights. This door is automated with a fingerprint sensor, a camera, a password entrance, a card entrance, and a key entry. That is a beautiful technology application. On my left hand side, you have the dining of this unit. That is an extension of the kitchen, and we will see all that later. On my right hand side, you have the living room of this home, done excellently. I like it that you are getting this beautiful focal point that has been modified to make sure that your 85-inch TV fits very well. At the center of the unit, you have this masterpiece of a light fixture. This is beautiful. I like it that it is close to the ceiling than close to me, because it gives you a very well spread of the light during the night. On the other hand, I do not need to explain to you what you will feel, because you already can see how this unit has been done. You are getting 3 massive windows to make sure that the balance of outdoor-indoor environment is to the optimum. As I mentioned, the dining space is on this other side, and I had a small talk with the developer, and he told me that he designed this dining area to make sure that it can easily fit a 12-seater dining set. It has been done very well, and it is facing your car parking. So from here, you'll be able to enjoy your food as you are watching your new Range Rover Sport. As you can see from there, the kitchen is semi-opening to the dining area, and you are getting this platform to act as your breakfast table or a minibar. This is the rest of the kitchen and it has been done very well. It comes fully fitted. I like the combination of the lower and the upper cabinetry. A microwave will be added here and an oven. On this other side you have your cooking area, which comes with a 4-burner cooktop which can be extended to a 6-burner on request, and you are also getting a heat extractor. The far end of the kitchen is giving you the washing area, where the developer has offered you a double sink and a tilting faucet. What I like about it is the quality of the appliances that you are getting in this unit. Just listen to this faucet. Oh, that is nice. Before I show you the pantry, let me take this opportunity to talk to the rich people on this channel. Let me ask you, what is the use of an island? Munaitumianga kufanya nini? Cause I don't have it in my house, and if I would have it, I don't know what I would use it to do. What is the purpose of this? Is it to prepare your meals before you cook them? Or is it to sit on it like me while you're waiting for your partner to cook your best dish? What is the purpose of this thing? Make sure you comment down below. At least some of us will learn something from you. This is the pantry of this kitchen and it is utilizing the space under the stairs. And this is a very good space for you to keep your nyanyas and your maize after you have come from the village. This is where they are supposed to be stored. On this other side of the pantry, this is where you are going to do a double door. The space is big enough to fit a good double door with all the smart bells and whistles it comes with. The kitchen comes with 3 drawers on this side where you can keep your crockery and cutlery, and they will be ready for you as you are serving the food. On the other side, you have the same set of 3 drawers, and this is where you keep them immediately after you have washed them. This door is opening to the laundry area, the external store, and the employee quarters. You are also getting your clothes area on this side. Let's see that. This is the employee quarters and it is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Next to it you have the laundry area and it comes with these 2 spaces for your washer and dryer, and you also have an industrial sink over there. On my far front you have the external storage and it is the space under the stairs. Right now the developer is using it as a storage of the leftover paints. This extra space can be used as your clothing area. From the kitchen area, we are at the center of the unit and this staircase is taking you to the upper levels. On this side, you have the common washroom and the guest bedroom, which we'll see in a few minutes. And at this point, I tell you, if you would want to see comparables of this unit, make sure you check out our website, africanrealestate.com. Right now, we are in the common washroom and it comes with a good vanity at the entrance. And on this other side, you have your washroom space and it comes with all the fixtures that you may require. Next to the common washroom, you have the guest bedroom and it is massive, done very well. I'm loving it that it is getting a very good view to the side garden. The guest bedroom comes with sliding closets. The bathroom is here, adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the common washroom, and you have an access here to the garden as I mentioned, and this bedroom comes with a big window for maximum natural light. This would be sufficient for your guests. If they would want a bigger space than this, waambie wanunue nyumba zao. Right now, we are on the first level, and the highlight is this beautiful chandelier that is running from here all the way to the ground level. On my far front, you have the family room and the first bedroom on this level, and on the other side, you have the primary wing. Let's see the family room. Very interesting. From the look of things, the family room is slightly smaller than the living room. And as I was talking to the developer, he told me he can add a small kitchenette here or a small bar area for you to enjoy your favorite drink as you are enjoying your life in this space. This room comes with a massive balcony, and from here you are going to enjoy the best views of Ruiru town, and you are also getting very fresh air from the greenery around. This is the first bedroom on this level, and it is targeting your teenagers or your young children. You are getting a sliding closet over here, done very well and partitioned extremely nice. On this side, you are getting spaces for the hangable clothes, and here you have spaces for the foldable clothes. You're also getting a set of drawers in each closet. On my far front, you have the bathroom to this bedroom, and it has been done well, coming with all the standard fixtures that you saw in the other bedrooms. This is the balcony to this bedroom, and it has an extra space over here where you can do your swing chair, or for the learned people, it's also called a hammock. The primary bedroom is also on this level, and its biggest highlight is maximizing the outdoor-indoor environment that the owners of this house should enjoy. It comes with the biggest balcony, and you are also getting a mini gazebo on this side. Just come and see it. For the people who do not understand the aspect and the beauty that comes with the morning sunshine, this is the space where you should sit with your partner during early morning or in the evening while you are meditating as you enjoy the sunrise or the sunset. Sijui kama hiyo ndio mnaitanga sundown. Anyway, I'll take you back inside. The primary bedroom also comes with a walk-in closet, and next to it you have the master bathroom. The walk-in closet comes very well done, and it comes with the sliding doors to make it very easy for you to access your clothes without getting any congestion. On this other side, you have another set of closets. The primary bathroom is the biggest, and it comes with a WC at the center, and on this other side you have a vanity that comes with a mirror that also acts as a compartment for your showering detergents. On this other side you are getting a shower cubicle, a multiple towel holder, and a rain shower that comes with side sprinklers. The staircase lands you to the final level of these units, and here you have the final bedroom and another room that is supposed to act as your office or the gym. If I was given a chance to live in this house, this is the bedroom that I would be staying in. I like it. I like how the distribution of everything has been done, and the turn of light that you are getting from that massive window that also acts as an access to the roof deck. The bedroom also comes with a massive window on this side, and you have a sliding closet on this other side. The bathroom to this bedroom is over here, and it comes standard like all the other bathrooms with all the fixtures that you may require. This is the access that I was talking about, and from here the views are just breathtaking. This is the final room on this level, and this is where you have the controllers of the solar water heaters. The room can be used as an office or a gym, or maybe if you have children in school, they can use this as a study. But specifically, it was done to act as the gym of this unit. What makes it very interesting is the amount of aeration that you get and the views. Also, it is a very good space to work out as you are getting the breathtaking views of this locality. From the roof deck, you can see that this area is very developed and very green, and it being just 6 minutes from Thika superhighway is always a plus. On this side, you have the external bathroom, and the roof deck area is very good for you to enjoy your meetings, or sometimes when you are doing buzis with wazee, this is the best place. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. If you would want to purchase this home or such a home, make sure you do a pre-purchase inspection with us, and we will help you understand the legality and the structural strengthness of such homes. Anyway, that's all for today. We will see you in the next one, and as always, my name is Mogai Kihara of African Real Estate.